Welcome to Daily English Conversation. Today you will learn simple English for ordering at a cafe. Listen, repeat, and enjoy the dialogue. Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please. Anna: Sure. Do you want it hot or iced? Jake: Hot, please. Anna: Great. Would you like anything to eat? Jake: Yes, I would. Do you have sandwiches? Anna: Yes, we do. We have chicken and cheese sandwiches. Jake: I'll take a chicken sandwich, please. Anna: Perfect. Anything else? Jake: No, that's all. Thank you. Anna: You're welcome. Your total is $6. Your order will be ready in a minute. Jake: Thank you very much. Vocabulary review. Explained. 1. Coffee. A hot or cold drink made from roasted coffee beans. Example: I drink coffee in the morning. 2. Hot warm, not cold. Example: I want a hot drink. 3. Iced cold with ice. Example: I like iced coffee in the summer. 4. Sandwich food made with 2 slices of bread and something inside. Example: I eat a sandwich for lunch. 5. Chicken. A type of meat. Example: I like chicken sandwiches. 6. Cheese. A dairy food made from milk. Example: I want a cheese sandwich. 7. Order to ask for food or drinks. Example: I order coffee at the cafe. 8. Anything else. A question meaning, do you want more? Example: Anything else? No, thank you. Comprehension questions. What does Jake order to drink? Does he want his coffee hot or iced? What sandwiches does the cafe have? Which sandwich does Jake choose? How much is his total? Here are the comprehension questions with their answers, following the same simple style. 1. What does Jake order to drink? He orders an iced coffee. 2. Does he want his coffee hot or iced? He wants it iced. 3. What sandwiches does the cafe have? They have turkey and cheese, veggie and tuna sandwiches. 4. Which sandwich does Jake choose? He chooses the turkey and cheese sandwich. 5. How much is his total? His total is $8.50. Shadowing. Repeat after me. I'd like a coffee. Pause. Hot or iced? Pause. I want a hot coffee. Pause. I'd like a chicken sandwich. Pause. Anything else? Pause. Thank you. Pause. Great job. Repeat these phrases during the day to build confidence. See you in the next episode.